This is Lee Natero with a NumWorks quick tip for statistics. In this video, we'll take a look at how to do a two-sample t-test for means. We'll be using this example where we're going to investigate if there's a statistically significant difference in the mean weekly hours spent on homework in 9th grade versus 11th grade. To do a two-sample t-test, we need to access the Inference app, so I'll click on OK. We're going to choose Tests, and then we're going to go down to Two Means. We're going to be doing a two-sample t-test. And here our null hypothesis is already set for us. mu1 minus mu2 equals 0, which would indicate there's no difference in the population means. The alternative hypothesis, I'm going to choose on this one, just clicking on OK, I'm going to choose the not equal to, because I'm just looking to see, is there a difference? I'm not suggesting that the difference is one direction or the other. So this will be a two-tailed test. I'll go down to Next. And notice that you can use a data set. I'm just going to point this out here. You can enter the data set right here, or if it was already entered in your calculator, you could just use the data that you've already entered in your calculator. So you can enter it here. Notice that if you have it stored in different locations, you can actually choose the different locations. But I'm actually going to use some summary statistics for this. So I'm going to go here, and I'm going to input the sample mean for 9th graders of 5.4 hours per week. Standard deviation of 0.5 hours per week, and there was a sample size of 40. And in this example for 11th graders, the sample mean hours of homework per week was 6.3 hours, the standard deviation was 1.2 hours, and the sample size for that one was 50. And we'll use a 0.05 significance level. I'll go down here to Next. And notice we have our test statistic. Our p-value is very, very small. That is scientific notation that we see there. We've got our degrees of freedom, and then notice that these values are repeated here at the top, but we also have our t-distribution drawn with our alpha level shaded in and our p-value so small that we actually can't see it shaded in here. Based on this very small p-value, which is less than the alpha level of 0.05, we definitely have statistically significant evidence to reject the null in favor of the alternative. This has been Lee Natero with another NumWorks quick tip for statistics.